Guys, so our last stock that we're breaking down this morning is Naked, or NAKD. If you haven't checked out my other videos that I posted this morning, go ahead and check those out. I believe I did Tesla, NIO, SNDL, AMC, and GME. So if you want to check those out, go ahead and check them out. So let's go ahead and dive in, you guys. So yesterday we closed almost at 1%, and this morning we're up at 5% pre-market at 59.90. So that's really good. So we're on the daily interval. This allows us to find our support and resistance lines, our trend, our targets, and our exits, and all that good stuff, okay? So let me first go over these lines and what they represent for our new viewers, and then we'll go ahead and break down to where we're at. So this top line represents our major resistance line. You can see that we got rejected. We were testing this resistance area over here, rejected over here, and over here, which ultimately pushed us back down to our major support level. And you can see that we tested it over here, underneath, working as resistance. And then we can go back farther in time, and we can see that we tested resistance over here and over here. So these are heavily tested areas, you guys. We have to respect these lines, and let's go to where we're at right now. So you can see that we are technically below this resistance line, so it is working as resistance instead of as support, as it should. But you can see that we are above the trend line, you guys. We are above this trend line. We're testing this resistance. Excuse me, guys, I'm still sick. And so this could be a beautiful buy setup. You can see that we have this consolidation going right against this resistance. If I go down to the 1 hour chart, we can see these individual, wow, you guys, wow, this is actually really, really nice. So as of right now, on the 1 hour chart, we kind of are below that that initial trend line. However, we're really just consolidating right underneath this resistance. So if you guys wanted to get in, I would just for an ideal entry, I'll give you guys two. The first one being a little bit more aggressive, and that being having your stop loss underneath these candlesticks, maybe at the 54-cent area, and then have your entry in to where we're at right now. And then your first target being back up at these previous pivots back here, and that is around the 73-cent area. So that could make a great return versus what you're risking, okay? That's the more aggressive trade. Let me go back down to the daily time frame. And the alternative, safer opportunity is for us to break above this resistance and come back down and retest that as a floor, or our support. So if we can come up and break this resistance and create a breakout and really start this reversal, this then could be another great buying opportunity, and that would be the safer entries if once we can break above this resistance and retest this support. And what that would do is basically just further confirm that buyers are stepping up and that buyers are in control, and that we are trying to create this higher low and create this reversal of an uptrend, okay? But yes, so you do have those two ideal entries. You can take the aggressive and get in now. Have your stop loss on the opposite side of that. Maybe at the, what did I say? The 53-cent area or 54-cent area. Either of those would be decent. So currently we're at the 59-cent area, the pre-market, so I forgot to mention that. So technically we are above that support line. So, but as long as you guys have that stop loss, I don't see this as a bad trade. If we do end up retesting this resistance and we go back under and fail and start pulling back, I'll do an updated video. But however, I just wanted to make this really short and sweet today, you guys. So you do have those two ideal entries, you guys. So you could be the more aggressive, or you can wait for the safer entry and wait for us to actually retest this at the 58-cent level, okay? But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. And if this helped in any type of way, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content Monday through Friday. So other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.